7 amazing foods that naturally cleanse the liver. Around 25% of adults worldwide have a fatty liver, often without awareness. This risk escalates due to factors such as excessive alcohol intake, lack of physical activity, hypertension, high blood sugar, and the consumption of processed foods. If left unchecked, a fatty liver can progress to serious conditions like cirrhosis, liver cancer, and liver failure. Scientific research indicates that specific foods can significantly impact the fatty liver. In this video, we will explore 7 foods known to address fatty liver, with one particularly noteworthy for its association with the Mediterranean diet, potentially tripling the likelihood of reversing fatty liver. Additionally, some of the research suggests potential benefits for reducing the risk of Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and certain types of cancer. Stay tuned until the end to learn more and consider making positive changes today. Don't forget to click the thumbs up and subscribe buttons to stay informed about our latest videos. Number 1. Legumes. Let's start with nature's powerhouse, legumes. These include lentils, beans, peas, and chickpeas, which act as natural multivitamin. Packed with protein, fiber, complex carbohydrates, and beneficial compounds like saponins and polyphenol, legumes provide essential amino acids crucial for liver detoxification. They also help combat high blood pressure, a key factor in fatty liver development. A 2019 study revealed that a higher intake of legumes was linked to a significantly reduced risk of fatty liver disease. Additionally, legumes contribute to lowering blood lipids by increasing the excretion of fats and steroids. This not only supports liver health but also diminishes the risk of cardiovascular disease. Number 2. Leafy greens. Now, let's talk about a food that acts as a barrier against toxins in the gut, preventing them from entering your bloodstream. Leafy greens, including spinach, kale, and arugula, which play a crucial role in combating fatty liver. These greens are rich in vitamins A, C, E, and K, along with minerals like iron, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and folate. Additionally, they contain powerful antioxidants such as beta-carotene and lutein. This nutrient combination supports healthy detoxification processes and enhances the liver's ability to repair itself. Consider exploring less common greens like dandelion leaves, known for their unique polysaccharide compounds with purifying effects. Although commonly considered a weed, ensure they are chemical-free and consult your doctor due to potential interactions with medications. Collard greens are another excellent choice, aiding in the regeneration of liver tissues thanks to their alpha-lipoic acid content. Recognizing the importance of dietary fiber, found abundantly in leafy greens, is crucial. The fiber binds to toxins in the gut, facilitating their excretion through feces before absorption, thereby reducing the toxic load on the liver. Interestingly, a 2021 study discovered that raw spinach significantly reduced liver fat, while the same association was not observed with cooked spinach. However, other research suggests that cooking can enhance the bioavailability of certain phytochemicals, offering diverse health benefits. The best approach is to vary your consumption, incorporating both raw and cooked greens into your diet. Number 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. Enter the superhero of anti-inflammatory properties and improved insulin sensitivity, omega-3 fatty acids. A meta-analysis from 2016, published in the journal Gastroenterology Research and Practice, brought forth remarkable findings regarding omega-3's impact on fatty liver. Trials utilizing ultrasound technology demonstrated that omega-3 tripled the likelihood of reducing liver fat. It's important to note that while omega-3 addresses inflammation, maintaining a proper diet to reduce toxins and adopting a healthy lifestyle, including exercise and avoiding excessive alcohol, is crucial. For the best sources of omega-3, one word suffices: fish. Nature's richest omega-3 sources include wild-caught mackerel, salmon, herring, and sardines. Oysters, although not fish, also contribute significantly. Regular consumption of these can effectively reduce inflammation and combat fatty liver disease. A 2023 study published in the British Medical Journal even associated eating 2 portions of these fish per week with a notably lower risk of chronic kidney disease, emphasizing the interconnectedness of kidney and liver health. Maintaining balance is key, not only in increasing omega-3 but also in monitoring its counterpart, omega-6. While both are essential, an imbalance in omega-6, found in nuts, seeds, processed snacks, fast food, and certain oils, can be detrimental. Striking a balance is vital, as modern diets often exhibit a high omega-6 to omega-3 ratio, far surpassing the recommended 4:1. Fish stands out as the most easily absorbed form of omega-3, but alternatives include certain algae like spirulina and chlorella. Flax seeds, chia seeds, and grass-fed meats and dairy also contribute. While fish oil supplements are commonly marketed to boost omega-3, scientific evidence suggests caution in their usage. Number 4. Coffee. Let's explore the benefits of your morning cup of coffee. Beyond its wake-up call, coffee has been found to offer protection against fatty liver disease. Notably, research indicates that it can also lower the risk of fibrosis in individuals with an existing fatty liver. Fibrosis, characterized by excessive scar tissue from prolonged inflammation, can severely impact liver function, potentially leading to liver failure or cancer in severe cases. A meta-analysis of 7 studies demonstrated that regular coffee consumption is associated with a 23% decreased risk of developing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and a 32% reduced risk of fibrosis. The suggested beneficial intake appears to be around 2 cups per day. While the exact mechanisms are still being uncovered, caffeine in coffee is known to decrease liver enzymes linked to inflammation. Additionally, compounds called diterpenes, found in coffee, as observed in mouse studies, exhibit protective effects against liver cancer and fibrosis by preventing liver lesions caused by toxins. It's important to enjoy your coffee without added sugar or artificial sweeteners, as these could counteract the potential benefits. Number 5. Garlic. At number 5, we highlight garlic, a familiar player in the realm of health. Known for its diverse benefits, from fending off colds to lowering blood pressure and offering protection against diseases, this pungent herb has earned its status as a medicinal food. Packed with special compounds like allicin, allicin, and ditheins, garlic has been extensively studied for its role in reducing the risk of heart disease and potentially guarding against cancer. Recent research further affirms garlic's positive impact on the liver. In a 2020 clinical trial involving 110 individuals with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, participants consumed either garlic extract or a placebo for 15 weeks. The outcome? The garlic group experienced significant reductions in liver fat. Notably, improvements were observed in blood markers, including alanine aminotransferase, an essential enzyme linked to liver damage, and HbA1c, a measure of blood sugar control. The study suggests that garlic aids the liver in processing fats more efficiently, thereby reducing the overall risk of damage. This finding reinforces the importance of garlic in promoting liver health. Number 6. Nuts. Now, let's talk about the wonders of nuts for your liver at our next spot. Nuts are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acids, playing pivotal roles in maintaining optimal liver function by significantly reducing inflammation and enhancing the quality and function of cholesterol. From almonds and cashews to pistachios and pecans, each type of nut offers unique benefits. If we were to designate one nut as the queen of liver health, it would undoubtedly be the humble walnut. In a groundbreaking 6-month study by the Australian Store Liver Unit involving 106 participants, walnuts demonstrated a remarkable 26% to 31% improvement in liver health markers. Other nuts followed closely behind, still impressively showing a 23% improvement. Don't overlook less conventional choices like macadamia, which has exceptionally low levels of omega-6, and pumpkin seeds, rich in magnesium, zinc, and iron, especially important for those with low iron levels, a common concern among adults. In addition to their healthy fats, nuts provide a generous dose of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant known for its protective effects on the liver. Numerous studies highlight the significant improvement in liver function associated with vitamin E. Moreover, nuts are rich sources of bioactive compounds such as flavonoids, phenolic acids, and phytosterols. Researchers believe that these compounds work synergistically, producing effects greater together than their individual components. Incorporating a variety of nuts into your diet can be a delicious way to support your liver health. Number 7. Olive oil. And now, claiming the number 7 spot on our list of liver-boosting foods is the elixir from sun-kissed groves in the heart of the Mediterranean, olive oil. While extra virgin olive oil takes the spotlight, even regular olive oil offers significant benefits. 6 randomized controlled trials have shown notable reductions in liver fat, with both extra virgin and regular olive oil. Why is olive oil a powerhouse? Studies reveal its multiple protective mechanisms, enriched with monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid, and abundant phenolic compounds like hydroxytyrosol and oleuropein. Together, these components effectively reduce liver fat accumulation and prevent lipid peroxidation, safeguarding against cirrhosis and atherosclerosis. Olive oil's benefits extend beyond liver health, with evidence indicating reduced risks of Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and certain types of cancer. Inside liver cells, known as hepatocytes, olive oil activates signaling pathways that combat inflammation, oxidative stress, and endoplasmic reticulum stress, significantly alleviating the damage associated with fatty liver. Extra virgin olive oil takes the lead due to its higher antioxidant levels, resulting from minimal processing compared to regular olive oil. It's best suited for uses like salad dressings and drizzling over dishes, as its lower smoke point makes it less suitable for cooking. Regular olive oil, with a higher smoke point, is better for moderate heat cooking. We hope you find this information valuable. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons to stay informed about more topics like these.